Hi, this is Cici from China. As a professional manufacturer of cement silos, we adhere to quality first. From product design, raw material selection, production processing, to finished product inspection, every link is strictly implemented in accordance with international standards. The cement silos exported this time features stable structure, high durability, and convenient installation. They have also been optimized and upgraded according to the local construction environment and application requirements, fully meeting the practical needs of overseas engineering projects. The smooth delivery of the order not only reflects high recognition from overseas customers for product quality, but also demonstrates the company's strength in continuously improving independent research and development capabilities and overseas service levels. We can provide cement silos with capacity range from 50 tons to 1,000 tons. Please let me know freely if you have any demands on botted cement silos. Thank you for watching. Wherever you are, I hope you are having a fantastic day. And see you next time.